Here shoots flaming balls, so this is not a legitimate way to do it.
Police cracking down on the 4th of July. A map showing nearly 15,000 illegal fireworks reports from people across the city.
Well, 3 special police units, they all targeted and responded to some of those areas you see on that map on the left part of your screen. And 13 Action News reporter Sean Delancey right now is live near Charleston and Sloan with an inside look at some of their raids here. Very interesting, Sean.
Carla Todd, police scoured the Las Vegas Valley for illegal fireworks last night, trying to prevent a situation exactly like this one. This tree catching fire thanks to a mortar shell nearly spreading to nearby homes. It was stopped only by quick actions from people in the area. Illegal fireworks pop and boom right over police officers trying to stop them.
This one's hot, this one's been shot.
When they found the fireworks, they took them away
This is a commercial grade.
and wrote the owners a hefty ticket, $250 a pop.
I'll give you a copy.
In all, 3 special police units handed out 102 illegal firework citations. Their job made easier by new rules in the valley.
This year, we're grateful that the city and the county were able to change the ordinance to allow for civil citations.
Police were out in force to minimize the risk of fires in the valley. Still, firefighters responded to 162 fire calls, most of them outdoors and caused by fireworks. Neighbors say this tree fire on Clear Valley Drive was caused by a dud mortar.
You got just some default fireworks and it went up, boom, but it didn't go up high enough.
Devontae Evans says a community effort saved the home next to the burning tree. Everyone grabbing hoses and jumping in to douse the flames.
Grabbed the water hose, got the spraying, and then I look around and just see everybody. Water hoses coming from everywhere, people connecting water hoses together. You know, people jumping off this, coming over this wall.
Police say that they will be holding on to all of those confiscated fireworks for at least 15 days. If no one fights to get them back, they will all be destroyed. Sean Delancey, 13 Action News.